I'm joined here by Mr. Sambhu Singh, who is heading a committee set up by Manohar Parrikar Institute of Defense Studies and Analysis. Sir, welcome to ETV Bharat. You are heading the committee. You have seen what is happening in North, especially the border clash between Assam, Mizoram, Assam, Meghalaya, Assam, Arunachal, Assam, Nagaland. What is the take on that?
See, Assam has been the mother state as far as Northeast is concerned. And except Manipur and Tripura, which were princely states, all the states have been created out of Assam. Arunachal was in a different category, but since the land was common to Arunachal and Assam, some land when Arunachal used to be a union territory, when it was called Nepha, it was about 900 odd square kilometers of land had been transferred to Assam. So Arunachal has been asking that the land be returned back to it. As far as Nagaland is concerned, there have been encroachments in the reserve forests which were earlier clearly within the boundaries of Assam. So that is another dispute. Dispute with Meghalaya is again historical, not according to the official boundary of the two states. So their situation is by and large under control because both states understand what is required to be done. They have to make sure that things should not become bad. However, this Mizoram thing is, though the development is not very recent, it again goes back into history more than 100 years back. When Inner Line was introduced, there was a reserve forest on the, and Mizoram, of course, was a part of Assam. There was a reserve forest which was included in the Inner Line, which covered Mizoram. Subsequently, when Mizoram was separated from Assam, this reserve forest was given back to Assam. Mizoram has been demanding that it should be given a boundary which was according to the Inner Line of 1873 or 1893. I am forgetting the year. And this is an area where there has been a lot of encroachment in the reserve forests. And the encroachment is, to my mind, as far as I can see, is mostly from the people who have Bengali speaking people who have come from outside. They don't seem to be the original Bengali population of Assam. And there is a craving for more and more land for such people to be adjusted by the local population. Hence, and at the same time, you have Mijos holding land pattas, having their agricultural farms in that region, in the same area. So there is a conflict of interest. People on one side wanting more land, people on the other side not wanting to lose their land, and the issue remains unsettled. The border disputes, as far as I can see, amongst these states will not get resolved unless there is a very, very strong political will amongst all these states. They have to agree to come to a conclusion. Right now, no chief minister is willing to risk ceding land to another state for fear of losing politically.
You were earlier heading the Northeast section of Home Ministry as a joint secretary in the Ministry of Home Affairs. You are heading a committee to look after how to find the solution of this border conflict. When you are visiting, sir, and what would be the main agenda of the committee, sir?
No, right now the committee will be looking at basically documenting every detail as to what is obtaining on the ground right now and what is the historicity or what is the historical background which has led to this kind of a situation wherein border disputes keep festering and keep cropping up. Beyond that, the committee will make certain suggestions, but our broader mandate is to bring out clearly as to how and why these disputes have occurred.
So you'll be submitting your report to the government of India as well?
Of course, of course. It will be done by the institute. The job has been given to the institute. Institute has requested me because I know the Northeast and I have been associated with it. So institute has requested me to help them out.
Thanks for talking to us. So it was Mr. Sambhu Singh who believes that the only solution of this border dispute between different states in Northeast is political will of different political parties, especially the chief ministers of these concerned states. This is Gautam Debra reporting for ATV Bharat in New Delhi.